Good morning. Yep, I'm in my tent doing what you think I'm doing, and there's the van. Bitcoin this morning hit $65,000. The crypto market is going insane. I talked to family members and friends that have invested probably back in 2020. Most of them let all of their coins go. I just held on to everything. So I am a Shiba Inu millionaire in coins, but in USD we are moving up a little bit. I live this way so that I don't have to pay rent, so that the money that I do have I can just invest. The savings in the last 16 months is over 30K just for rent, and it's not been easy. Obviously, this is my bathroom, but I'm putting up with a lot. The wife is putting up with a lot, and one day I hope that all of this sacrifice pays off. I'm already planning on other things for the future. I don't really do van life videos because van life is boring. Real van life is boring. And just looking at my analytics, nobody really watches. Maybe just because I'm boring and I don't do the drone shots or the sexy sunsets and showering videos. But this is just what we have to do to get ahead, because what we were doing before wasn't working. We were just getting completely annihilated. I still work. I've been real busy, so that's probably why you're not seeing a lot of uploads, because I do take time to edit stuff. And you know, I've hit the 1,000 subscriber mark in YouTube, and I can't get to 3,000 watch hours with 500 videos uploaded. You would think that those would produce some kind of watch hours passively, but it's not doing anything. It's actually going backwards. So I don't put too much time into these videos, because the work I do, I like to get paid for, and YouTube doesn't pay for nothing. So it's a waste of time for me. I do put my time and effort into other passive income things. So with that, this is it. Just a quick update of life as a Bitcoin holder, life as a Shiba Inu holder, life as a Dogecoin holder. We'll see what happens in the next year, but I am a hodler. I don't trade it. I don't sell it. I just accumulate. So let's see what the videos look like in another year. Van life Bitcoin holder.